With the world facing such a bad time and most of them losing their jobs, this would be the best time for anyone who is willing to level up their business. Not just business, but their passion and hobby as well. Before we get into the video, if you find this video very interesting, do share it with your friends. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. This is one of the best time for us to get fully equipped. We can test, prepare and experiment the various skills and skill sets that we always wanted to have. As the first wave was announced and the lockdown started, I was also on my lazy phase. I was doing nothing but just sitting at my home and enjoying my time. But I noticed there were several things that changed around me. People started working from home, working out from home, earning money from home, making things come to them sitting at home. When you closely analyze, we get lazy. We make things reach us sitting at home. But there is a business in each and everything you do. These are the few things that I did during the first lockdown to face the post-lockdown competition that I predicted would be there in my business. Getting digitally equipped. I just loved the way there was a great transformation in the digital platform over the past year. I was well within the framework. That was a greater advantage for me. I was not so active on my digital platforms, but I used to post stories and posts then and there. But then I made sure I was more active on my digital platforms. I started posting 3 posts per day and regular stories on my storylines. This was making my profile more active on social media platforms such as Instagram. And then I made sure I learned the crux and hardcore algorithms of Instagram, which would help me learn Instagram and know how it actually works. So to do that, I actually joined a digital marketing course from which I learned how this actually works. This is something important for you to learn from who is an expert, experiment on it, attain success. Learning things in a way it should be and being consistent is very much important. So this helped me get digitally equipped and digitally transformed, and I could transform my own business digitally as well. Getting out of comfort zone. I am a Canon user. I have been using Canon from the time I had started with photography. I had also used this common statement that I was not comfortable in using any other gears, and I would stick with Canon gears and Canon products for my photography all the time. But I wanted to get rid of this one over a long period of time. I wanted to use other gears, other equipments. I wanted to experiment on other gears as well. So I made use of this lockdown period. I asked my friends who had other gears such as Nikon, Sony and Panasonic. I asked them if they could lend their gear to me for a few days. They were very grateful and they lent their gears to me. I tried my hands on all the gears. I experimented it completely with all the settings, all the lighting techniques that I could actually do. I experimented and now I am very much confident in all the gears that I can handle. I can handle Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, each and every gear that I could do. This is very much important for any photographer who is working with a company or who regularly hires equipments for his work, so that you could easily get yourself equipped with any equipment that you have right in front of you and do your project very successfully. Relearning things. I learned photography years back. Back then, I learned something about external light, where they use key light, fill light, strobe, filters, many such things to create one amazing portrait. I was into a genre of photography which dealt with more of natural light source. I was very much comfortable in using the natural light source as well. But I always wished I could use an external light source for wildlife photography as well. But for me to do that, I need to master this external light source. I had learned it years back, so I went on relearning the external lights and how it works. So now I am very much comfortable in using the external light source, as you can see, and then I would now go ahead and experiment it on the genre I am very much comfortable with. So this I made use of this time, the lockdown time, to learn on the things that I had learned years back. So relearning things in a proper way is very much important. Orthodox learning of the genre of photography. Learning photography in an orthodox manner from a proper mentor who is specialized in that particular genre of photography is very much important. So I was comfortable with wildlife photography. So I hired mentors. I went to workshops with mentors who are great in the field such as baby photography, fashion, wedding, event photographies. I went attended their workshops. I learned what and all are the new things that are coming up in those specific genre of photography. So there is always something or some part of the lightings or the experiments that they make in that one particular genre of photography, such as baby photography or fashion photography, which can be combined in wildlife photography as well. So I laid down all the rules, all the experiments that they do, and then I have now a good list that can be done in wildlife photography as well. All these are the ideas that were derived from several other genres of photography. So learn all the genres of photography in a proper way and then decide which is your genre of photography that you want to jump into or dive into and experiment deeply. Don't just blindly learn one genre of photography and fix in your mind that is your genre of photography that you want to be for the rest of your life. That is something wrong to do. So learn photography in an orthodox way from with a good mentor who is specialized in that particular genre of photography, and then decide whatever you want to do. Creating strategies. When you're having a good time with your business, for you to create a strategy, experiment and bring it out successfully, it is very much tough. But during this lockdown time, when we all have a good long time, for all those who are doing any business, it is the right time for you to develop your strategies that would work post lockdown. So you can experiment on various strategies that you want to develop your business in any form that you wish. So try different strategies for your business. So if you are having any business such as a travel business like what I do, you don't think that there is any strategy that you can actually try it out now? No. You can actually develop yourself and get yourself equipped on social media platforms so that you can engage with your clients very much and keep them engaged on various travel destinations that they could travel post lockdown as well. So keeping your clients very much engaging is very much important. That is also a kind of strategy that you can work for your business. These are the basic things that I did during the first lockdown. This is not a wasting time. This is a time when the world has started working so hard to come back very strong post lockdown. Make sure you also work very hard so that you can run along with the strong competition that is going to come up in your field. Please do not forget to wear a mask and do not step out of your house until it is necessary. If you are watching this video until now, do like this video and comment down below. Do wait until we come back with another amazing video. Stay tuned.